Ladies and gents, we are back with another video. Uh, First off, I just want to say if you're new, like and subscribe. We're on the road to 500. We are a little over 400 right now. So yeah, every comment, like, all that is very much appreciated. Also, if you want to, turn on your post notifications. Helps you know when I post a video. But other than that, yeah, we're going to go ahead and get straight in the video. Also, if you haven't checked out the last couple of videos, go ahead and check those out. But yeah, today we're doing an unboxing. Um, Very excited for these. Wanted these when they released a couple of years ago, but just I don't know. I was in like 8th grade when these dropped or something like that. But yeah, as you can see, Jordan box, cement print, Nike Air, size 12, of course. And I think that's it for all the details on the box. Take the top off. My box is a little bit damaged. Oh, and it comes with this, oh, it's sick. It comes with this really big Jordan sticker, I guess. Oh, wait. No, it's like a spec sheet. Okay, and it's like a fold out. Interesting. Also, yeah, I hit on these on the shock drop, which was pretty cool. But yeah, that's just a spec sheet. You can pause that if you want to look at it. It just talks about there's like Nike Air and how it's like centered and stuff. And then you got your cement paper. So the lighting will catch it. Pull that back. White paper. And then you got the shoes. The black cement threes. These are a pair of shoes I've wanted in my collection for a very long time. I'm very glad to have them. Yeah, it's a super clean shoe. Let me pull the other one out real quick. Yeah, so this, of course, the black cements. So it does come with a little hang tag. They are trying to go more to the true OG with like the plastic, like over the hang tag. I know it's supposed to be closer to OG, but I honestly wish they would have just put the little metal keychain because I don't know, it just doesn't look very good. Like when you wear them like this, if you want to wear the hang tag, which I like to. But yeah, so you got an all black upper, and I will say this leather. I mean, I was gonna say it was pretty good, but now that I'm feeling it, I mean, I'm not gonna lie, it's not the best. You know what to expect from Jordan brand quality. Like, let's be honest here. And then you got your black, or you got your cement print. I know a lot of people were talking about, like not liking the cement print size. I never owned a pair of black cements, so I don't really, I'm pretty sure this is supposed to be the closest to the OG anyways. So I'm cool with it. Of course, you got your Nike Air on the back, and then gray outsole with Nike on the bottom. Uh, and then, of course, you got your little, like, red hits on the eyelets and on the tongue. Um, and then white Nike Air. Yeah, overall, oh yeah, let me pull out the insoles real quick. I do want to see if these are polyurethane, because the polyurethane makes Jordans actually quite a bit comfier. Yeah, they are not the full-on polyurethane. They're like, they're the Dream Cell insoles, which are better than like the Ortholite, like cheap insoles that Nike likes to use. But the polyurethanes are quite a bit better than these because they last longer. They're just overall more comfortable. But yeah, I'll go ahead and show you guys these on feet real quick. And like, I'm a person who's always, I've wore Jordans for like since at least like 7th grade probably. And actually no, before that, I feel like I had a pair in like 4th grade. I started wearing Jordan like heavily in 7th grade. But I don't wear Jordans quite as much as I used to. But this is a shoe that will like never go out of style, just because it's so classic. And it goes with a lot of what I wear because it has a lot of black. But yeah, I will be right back. Show you guys the on feet real quick, and I'll be back for the outro. Alright, so that was the on feet. These are just such a classic shoe. And like styling, I didn't style them there, I just threw what I already had on. But like styling these, you literally can't go wrong with them because they go with like everything. And I feel like 3s you can dress up and down more than like 4s just because of how simple the upper is. Don't get me wrong, I prefer 4s over 3s, but like I don't know, the like especially in this colorway, I think the white cements and the 4s might be the best colorway, but I think the black cements is the best in the 3s. But yeah, and this was also the first OG like pair of 3s I've had, because this was the only other pair of 3s I had. I can't even remember the colorway name of these. I actually really like these, but a lot of people, it wasn't their thing, which I totally understand. Um, but yeah, that was it for the video. Like I said, we are on the road to 500. All your support's very much appreciated. If you didn't see the last couple of videos, go show some love to those. See you on the next video. Peace.